In the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity and hacking, staying ahead of the game is crucial, but what if I tell you that there was a tool designed to guide you every step of the way? That's right, we're talking about ChatGPT. Hey cyber warriors, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that could level up your hacking career. We are talking about ChatGPT as an AI design tool. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro, this AI tool is a game changer. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see how you can use it and enhance your skills, from learning coding to automating tasks and even staying ahead of the hacker's curve. Stick around till the end because you'll want to know the step-by-step guide of integrating ChatGPT into your daily hacking toolkit. Alright, first things first, what is ChatGPT? It's an advanced AI language model created by OpenAI. It can understand and generate human-like text, making it perfect assistant for hackers, coders, and cybersecurity enthusiasts. From writing scripts to explaining complex concepts, ChatGPT can be your AI sidekick for all things in hacking. But the real question is, how can you use ChatGPT to boost your hacking skills? Well, let's break it down step by step. Did I just say step by step? Yeah, of course, we are going step by step. Step number 1 in coding. Whether you're working on a Python script, a web exploit, or just testing some new techniques, ChatGPT can help. Let's say you're stuck on writing a specific function for a brute force password cracker. You can ask ChatGPT to generate the code or troubleshoot errors. Watch this. I just asked ChatGPT, how can I write a Python brute force script, and ChatGPT responded correctly and instantly with the code snippet. And also the good part is ChatGPT not only gives you the code, but it explains it too, helping you to understand each part. This means faster learning and coding without the frustration of endless debugging. Step number 2, the automation. As a hacker, you are going to need to automate repetitive tasks, whether that's scanning websites, gathering intel, or testing multiple vulnerabilities. Instead of manually running each task, let ChatGPT write the automation scripts for you. For example, you can ask it to generate a bash script for scanning ports and automating a Metasploit framework. Not only will this save you time, but it will also give you more efficiency with your penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. Step 3, keeping up with exploits and vulnerabilities. The world of hacking moves fast. New exploits drop almost every day. If you want to stay updated, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize the latest CVEs, zero-day vulnerabilities, and exploit techniques. Instead of scoring endless websites and forums, ChatGPT can provide you with the latest attack vectors in seconds. Talk about efficiency. Step 4, penetration testing. When you're doing a pen test, planning is key. With ChatGPT, you can get the help of drafting your testing methodology, creating a detailed report, or even simulating social engineering scenarios to test your target's human element. Let's say you're conducting a phishing test and you're not sure how to structure the email to make it look convincing. Just ask ChatGPT. And in the other ways, ChatGPT can also walk you in the entire process of pen testing, from information gathering to the last process, which is post-exploitation. In step 5, we have bug bounties and ethical hacking. If you're into ethical hacking, ChatGPT can help you analyze and report bugs for bug bounty programs like HackerOne or BankCrowd. From structuring reports to offering recommendations on how to exploit a vulnerability, ChatGPT can guide you through every phase of that process. Plus, it's a great tool to help you learn how to spot potential bugs in web applications or APIs and improve your submission quality. Step 6, learning and research. If you're a beginner or want to expand your knowledge in specific area of hacking, whether that's cryptography, reverse engineering, or social engineering, ChatGPT can help guide your learning process. You can ask it for explanations, real-world applications, or even advice on what resources to check out next. It's like having a mentor available 24/7. Now, we all know hacking is not about tools, it's about critical thinking. ChatGPT isn't just going to give you answers, it can challenge you to think deeper. Ask it complex questions, test your knowledge, or even walk you through steps of solving a real-world hacking challenge. This is perfect for building up your hacker mindset and becoming the kind of hacker who thinks outside the box. So, to wrap things up, ChatGPT is a powerful tool in your hacking journey. It can automate tasks, help you code faster, stay updated on security trends, and even guide your learning. It's like having a personal assistant for all your cybersecurity needs. But one thing to put in mind in this video, that ChatGPT is here to enhance your abilities, not to replace your skill set. Use it wisely and it will become a key player in your hacking career. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on how to matter with the digital world. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.